Hi folks, welcome to the Banba Short and Snappy. Right now I'm going to show you the in-house table delivery function on the Banba app. On the left hand side here I have my iPhone. This is what your customer will have. And on the right hand side here I have the Banba staging system, and I'm sitting in the bar section here that shows me all the orders that will come in through the bar. And this can run on an iPad or an Android device, whatever you might have available. So I'm going to go back over to my phone here and I'm going to log into the Thomann bar. It brings me into the Thomann bar right away. I actually want the in-house section, so I'm going to select in-house. I'm going to scroll across in my menu here and I'm going to go to drafts, and I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to order myself a lovely pint of Beamish. So I'm going to click on one Beamish there. I'm going to click on checkout. I want it delivered to the table. I'm now sitting at table 1 today, so I select that and I click on pay. Once the pay feature pops up, I'm going to select Apple Pay. I'm just going to hide this here to protect my details. I'm going to click on Apple Pay. I'm going to put in my finger ID. So dead simple, just one click and this payment goes through straight away. And as you can see there, that order has gone back behind the bar. So it's order number 9, table 1, 1 pint of Beamish. So back on my phone, I am keen to know where my order is, so I'm going to go into the check your order section. And I can see here, first of all, my order has been accepted, as it has. It's sitting behind the barn waiting to be picked up. And when the staff come along and pick up that order, they just have one simple click, 1 pint of Beamish, just click and start, and the order is completed. So that's the order fully paid for via the app, and now all they have to do is pour it. More importantly, back on my phone, I can see that the order is completed here as well. So all I have to do is just sit and wait for my pint to come to me. Another great feature from the Banba app, really customer friendly, keep them informed all of the time and helping you manage your table delivery service.